Hello everybody, this is class assignment 3. We have 3 figures in here. Figure number 3.1 indexing guide, figure number 3.2 coupling base, and figure number 3.3 guide block. All dimensions are given in inch and you have to draw these 3 figures in 3 different files. Okay guys, now let's start with figure number 3.1 indexing guide. You see all the dimensions are given in inch, so we are going to draw this figure. First you need to choose the right template, so click on file, then new, and then expand this arrow sign to find the English template. You choose the standard inch template and then create. Then click on the 2D sketch, choose XY plane, which will be our front view. Okay, then draw a circle with radius 2.5 inch, that means diameter 5 inch. So draw a circle 5 inch diameter, make it 5 inch. Okay, and then I'm going to draw one horizontal and one vertical line for making this slot over here. So making one vertical line, one horizontal line, and you see they are 1.25 inch away from the center point. So take dimensions, make this line, and from the center point the distance should be 1.25 inch. Again from the vertical line to the center point will be 1.25 inch. Then draw another slot over here. So approximately draw this first randomly, and then you see this slot or this slot is 0.5 inch wide, and that slot is 1.5 inch away from the center point, which is 3 inch away from each other. So I'm going here, taking the dimension from here to the center point will be 3 divided by 2, that means 1.5 inch, and from here to the center point will be 0.25. again from this side will be 0.25, which will make 0.5 inch wide. So now take the trim and trim these vertical lines, these horizontal lines, and the portion of the circle to make those 2 slots. Now we are going to make the circular pattern. Click on the circular pattern, choose these 3 lines for the slot and these 2 lines for this slot, and click on the axis, the circular axis, the circle, and make it 4. The number of items for this circular pattern should be 4. Okay, now click on OK. Now trim again this portion of the circle, this portion of the circle, this portion of the circle, this portion, and this portion, and over here. Now finish the sketch and look at this. This thickness for this item is 1 inch, so we are going to extrude for 1 inch. Okay, now we have a circle here whose diameter is 2.25 inch, so we are going to draw a circle, 2D sketch again. On top of this surface, draw a circle at the same center. If you don't find the center, move your mouse closer to the part of the circle and it will show you the center. Now click on the center point and make this circle 2.25 diameter, and then finish the sketch and then extrude it 0.75 inch, because you see here this is 0.75 inch. Now you need a hole. The hole diameter is 1.25 inch. So go ahead and select this surface now, this top surface of the circle, circular cylinder, and start 2D sketch. Draw a circle at the same center point, 1.25 diameter. Finish the sketch and extrude, and you make this cut extrude. Okay, click in here. I need to make it really big to make the throw hole, so I'm just dragging it by holding my left mouse key and dragging it on the other side of the item, and click on OK. It will make the hole. Okay, now save your file, give a name. You can choose the appropriate file, give a name, class assignment 3.1, save it. Now you go to annotate. Okay, now you use the dimensions from the annotate to add dimensions to this objects. You need to add all the dimensions which are shown in the figure. You go to the figure and find all the dimensions like that. From this side to, I cannot see from the other side, so I'm going to select and here. Okay, click on the home button. You can go back to the previous slide. Select this and the center. You will see the dimension over here. Again, the dimension, choose the vertical line, and this you'll see the distance from the vertical line over here, and you'll see some thickness given here. So I'm going to choose this surface and this surface to see the distance from these two surfaces. And few more things. I have added everything, I believe, but except this line and this line, and show that this is 3 inches. Okay, you can drag it to somewhere else. That's it. Save your file. Okay, now let's do figure number 3.2, coupling base. So for this drawing, we'll need to choose the inch template again. Okay, so go to Inventor software, click on file, click on new, and expand these templates. Select English standard inch and then create. This time I'm going to start a 2D sketch on the XZ plane, the base plane. Okay, and on here you just rotate this to make this top view horizontal, and then I'm going to draw a slot for the base view. The slot radius should be 1 inch, and then I'm going to choose the rectangular slot. You see, we will choose the center to center slot that will match with the figure you see here. So I'm going to choose the center to center slot. Okay, you can click anywhere and drag your line and click again, and move your mouse and click again. So it's a random slot made. So now you need to add the dimensions. The radius should be 1 inch, so I'm going to use the dimension to make it 1. And one more thing, the center from the center to center distance is 2.5 inch. So dimension again, from this circle to this circle, move your mouse down and make it 2.5 inch. Okay, and in order to make it nice and symmetric, I'm going to choose the dimension again, choose the center point and this point, and make it 0, so that way it will become symmetric on both sides. You can escape from the dimension tool and drag the dimension inside, okay, if needed. What else? You need to make another slot inside which will be 0.5 inches away or 0.5 inches inside. So we are going to use the offset tool and click on the big slot, move your mouse little bit inside and type 0.5 and press enter. Okay, in that way you'll see another slot is created. Now I'm going to draw two lines for making this portion, so which is 1.25 inches away from each other. We'll draw two lines. Okay, go ahead and draw two lines, one here, escape, again line, another here, and now use the dimension from here to here. This distance is 1.25, and in order to make it centered or symmetric on both sides, I'm going to choose this line and the center point and then click and then type 1.25 divided by 2. It will become centered. Now trim, click on trim, trim this side, this side, this side, this side over here and make it clean. Okay, finish the sketch and then extrude. So for extrude thickness, I need to see the thickness is given here 0.5 inches. So extrude 0.5 inches. Now select this surface, okay, and start a new sketch. This time what we are going to do, we are going to draw this portion. Okay, so we are going to draw a small circle with a diameter of 0.5 inch and another circle with the diameter of double of this. 0.625 is the radius, so diameter should be double of that. So we are going to draw two circles over here and another at the same center point, but the diameter should be, let me check once again, the diameter should be 0.5 and this should be 0.5 and this should be 0.625 multiplied by 2. Okay, and in order to make this at the right point, I'm going to see the dimension once again. That should be in the center point, and from the bottom it should be 1 inch above, 1 inch above. Okay, so choose the dimension again. From this circle to this bottom line it should be 1 inch, and from one side to the center point it should be 1.25 divided by 2. In that way it will come to the middle point. Now draw two more lines, straight lines, one from here to the other end of this line, escape from the line, again click line, click on the other side of the circle, you will see a yellow dot, then you need to click and move your mouse down. Okay, now trim the lower half of the big circle. Okay, you need to close the boundary, so draw another line to close this boundary. I need to draw a line from here to here and finish the sketch, and you'll see it can be extruded. You need to change the direction to the other end, make it 0.5 inch, make sure it is 0.5 inch and click on OK. Alright, so this is prepared. Save this file, class assignment 3.2, and we need to add all the annotations. So use the annotation, then dimension. You can choose this circle and this circle and then move your mouse. You can right click here and change the view. Okay, so you can select the annotation plane and choose this plane. In that way you can change the plane, dimensions from this line to, actually it's not showing, so I can choose this line and change the view from this corner and click on this line. It is now showing. You can click on the home button once again. Dimensions for this circle over here, dimensions for this circle over here. Okay, you can change these decimal points. You need to show up to third decimal points, so click on here. Then you need this dimension over here. Few more things I need to check. Okay, from here to here, from this line to this line. Few more things. Let me see. Radius shown. Need to show this radius over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 dimensions here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm missing something else. Yes, there is another here. That's it. Save. You click on the save button once again. Okay, now let's start figure number 3.3 guide block. For this drawing, I'm going to start from this side, which is the front side of the figure, and I'm going to draw a horizontal straight line with a diameter, with a dimension 3.62. So before that, I need to choose the right template. So click on File, click on New, find the English templates, standard inch, and then click on Create. Now choose the 2D sketch and then choose XY plane for your drawing and draw a horizontal line. Make it horizontal 3.62. Okay, and escape from the line, and then draw vertical line this from here, from this corner point to here, which is 2 inches minus 0.5. Okay, and then draw horizontal again here, which is 0.75 inch. So look at this. What I'm going to do, draw a straight line from this side, from the left side, 1.5 inch, and then from here to the right 0.75 inch, and then vertically 0.5 inch. Okay, now look at this. I need to draw another line from here to here, this portion over here, which is basically 1.63 minus 0.75. So I'm going to choose right here 1 point from here, from this side, from here 1.62 minus 0.75. Okay, 1.63, sorry, 1.63. So I need to type it here. It's 1.63 minus 0.75. Okay, which is 0.88. Now draw one line just approximately big enough to cover the whole sections. Escape, and then another line from here. You see another line I need should be from here to here, just this approximate lines. Now you need to add the angles. The angle for this line is 30 degree and angle for here is 60 degree. So how to add the angles? Click on dimensions, click on this line and then the horizontal line. You'll see the angles. Now click, make it 60 degree. Again click on this line and this line, move your mouse to the right and make it 30 degree. Now you need to trim, so click on the trim. Okay, now finish the sketch. Once you finish the sketch, it will be ready for extrude. So make an extrude of 1.5 inch. Okay, 1.5 inch. So go ahead and extrude 1.5 inch to the other side, 1.5 inch. Okay, after that we are going to make the shell. You see here, this is the shell. So the shell thickness is given as 0.25 inch. Okay, so you can find the shell here, click the shell and make this thickness 0.25. Now you need to remove some surfaces. So surface from here, surface from here, surface from here. Also you need to rotate it to find these two surfaces here and this top surface here. Then you can click OK and it will show you the shell is done. After that you need to make the hole. So the hole diameter is 0.75 inch, which is 1 inch above and 1.5 inch to the right from this corner point. So let's make the hole. You click on hole, make this dimension, the diameter 0.75, then click on this surface, anywhere on this surface. Now click on the horizontal line to the bottom, make it 1, and then click on the vertical line to the left and make it 1.5, and then press enter. This is done. Save this file. Class assignment 3.3. Now you need to add all the annotation. So the dimensions, the diameter of this circle, the distance from the circle to the bottom line, which is 1, it's showing correct. Again, from dimension from here to the vertical line, which is 1.5 inches. From here to let me see, from dimensions from this surface to this surface, which is 0.25, and this is 1. You can change the annotation plane by right clicking and then find the select plane and this surface and click here. Let me see few more things, the distance and vertical lines. So from this line to this line, which is 2 inches. Again, from this line to this line, which is 0.5 inches. Again, from here to here, oh no, escape, dimension from this surface to this surface is 1.5. let me see a few more things. Okay, from here to here. Okay, so we can add the dimensions from here to here. You can change the plane, annotation plane, which will be here. Again, from vertical line here to here, which is 0.75 inch. Anything else? I think I need to add the angles. Okay, from this line and this line, this needs to be 30 degree. Move your mouse and make it 30 degree. Again, this line and this line, make it 60 degree. Okay, and you need to just clear it to show all the dimensions clear. You can change this. I'm going to delete these dimensions once again and show this line and this line. It is showing inclined, so change this plane, select the annotate plane, this, and make it 1.63. you can see here. Move your mouse closer and make it clear. You need to drag all the lines so that it remains clear and everything is readable. Okay, save it.